Our strawberries are not growing in the most ideal conditions here. Last year when I renovated it in the fall, I put down white plastic and I planted into the white plastic for the strawberries, except over the winter the sun totally degraded the white plastic and it all blew away. So that wasn't good, first of all. But as you can see now, we've got a lot of weeds and we're getting problems with our strawberries. So here is an example. We're getting this rotting going on. We also have some strawberries that are being eaten by slugs. A lot of this can be attributed to the fact it's not growing on plastic. We have a lot of berries. Unfortunately, about half of them we can't eat.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.